Hey, it's Nick. Let's talk marketing support. Look, we want to help you be successful in your markets. The way we do that is through a hands-on coordinated marketing approach. If you have a marketing concept, idea, or need, let us know. Chances are that together we can deliver an amazing local marketing program. On the technical front, we don't need you to be cultivation experts in driving specs from day one. That's our job. When quoting a project, we'll help define the specification, produce a lighting layout and design. At the end of the day, I'm in Boston, and even the most Western New York branches are still just a day trip for me. We're here and ready to support.
At CALIVE, we offer full-range channel support. This includes custom lighting designs, social media marketing support, installation videos and support, and marketing collateral, such as product brochures, product comparison charts, pop-up stands and counter cards, as well as CALIVE branded water bottles and shirts.